morning to all of you. Today's online class is a computer class, floppy disk and data entry. You may not be having any idea about a data entry operator. Data entry operators are available in huge companies where large amount of data is to be entered into the earlier days. Floppy disks were used as input output devices. That means data can be written on the floppy disk as well as can be read from the floppy disk. So, floppy disk is an input output device. Go in detail about a floppy disk as input output device. Before that, let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also. While I was working in the accounting section of the organization, there was a data entry operator there. She was my friend. I didn't know what she was doing with her small machine. It was a data entry machine. She will code the documents given to her, cash receipts, purchase receipt, like that, different types of receipts. She will first code it, then the serial number, the item number, the amount, date of purchase, date of giving the cash, like that. So many things are there in a receipt. All these things she will first give code. The coding was given according to the computer program. Then she will type these codes in the small machine she had in front of her, and one floppy disk will be inserted into the machine. One sentence that is 80 characters long represents one transaction. For example, if it is a purchase bill, one purchase bill containing the date, amount of purchase, the item code, how many quantities, whether it is a cash transaction or it is a bank transaction, like that. So many things about that one purchase will be entered as one line, 80 characters long. This is stored in the floppy disk. Like that, all the receipts she will code and type the corresponding code into the machine so that it will be recorded in the floppy disk. What is a floppy disk? Floppy disk is a circular disk, plastic disk coated with magnetic material. A read-write head will touch the tracks on the floppy disk and the disk will rotate in high speed. During that time, the read-write head will be reading or writing the magnetic spots on the floppy disk, thus recognizing the characters. One character will be represented as a combination of binary digits 0 or 1. One character is represented by 8 binary digits 0 or 1. 0 is a not magnetized, 1 is a magnetized. Thus, the read-write head will understand the character by recognizing the magnetized portions 0 or 1 and understand the character. Later, this floppy disk is put in a PC, personal computer. The personal computer is also having a read-write head. The floppy disk will rotate very fast inside the drive, and the read-write head will be reading the magnetic spots found on the tracks of the magnetic surface. Thus, the characters are read, and using the computer program, the appropriate books are printed, maybe a cash book or a bank book or a profit and loss account, like that. Different accounting books are printed using the line printer. What is a line printer? I have made one video earlier. All of you go through that video and understand what is a line printer. Line printers are used in the accounting section of huge organizations so that they can print very fast, very big ledgers. From the floppy disk, the data will be read to the computer, and using the computer program, the different books are printed. Here, the floppy disk acts as an input-output device. That means floppy disk is used to record the data. The data entry operator is typing on it. Later, this recorded data is read using the personal computer, and it is used to print different types of books. So, the floppy disk is a read or write, or it is an input or output device. Data entry operators are in large numbers present in large organizations because data entry is the huge process, or it is the main process of a large organization. All the data should be inside the computer memory. Then only the computer can process the data and give the desired output. So, organizations keep a lot of data entry operators as well as data entry machines so that all the data from the different purpose receipts are recorded on a floppy disk or even hard disk of the computer. From then, from there only the data is processed to get different types of books, again in the form of paper as output. Today only this much. All of you watch all my computer classes also. This computer class deal with my own experience computer operator job in the 80s, where the PCs came to India for the first time. Let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also.